Today, we're going to bring something medical for anybody that suffers from nail fungus. This is one way you can fight it while you're sleeping, and this is perfect. You can wear it any time of the day. It doesn't have to be at night, but pretty much you can change it out. They give you plenty of patches in here. I suggest buy a couple of them if you're gonna, fight this germ. It takes a couple of days for you to see results. It's not gonna be instantly, but it's very simple, easy to set up on an actual nail. So millions of Americans suffer from nail fungus, either too much moisture around their air, or not enough air circulation through your actual shoes, or you don't get your shoes out, or you work in a moist environment. This is a way. Mostly athletes, a lot of athletes suffer from this, and this is something you can fight it. So very simple, easy to set up, and instructions are in clear in here. And they also sell other units, of course, but it's good to have 3 or 4 medications at the same time. You could have the actual nail medicine you put on, or you could actually set up a patches like these. It's best if you add it, but make sure you consult with your doctor prior to using these. Some people are allergic to some of the medications are set up in the back, so giving you more description of what's included in here. So let's go ahead and set this up and see how it works and how you put it together. All right, this is how you get them. All right, they look like bandages, all right, and it's basically, it has a clear film that you need to remove, right, prior to setting up. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove this part of it. Now this is also another film you got to remove in here, right? And this is where all the medication is. Once you're ready to remove, you remove this one, and then you wrap around your thumb, your big fat thumb, or wherever your fingers is having issue, and then the last part will be at the end. But make sure that the medication is where the actual center of the fungus is at. All right, then you end up removing the last part of it, which is right here. And then once you remove that, you finish it wrapping around. So make sure you cut a little opening. If you guys could grab this, if you guys can see it. All right, once you remove it, you should see it. It's a little moisture. You remove the film and it should look like something like this. So if you guys can see it, you wrap it around, make sure the medication is on it, all right? So this one in the corner, the last part of it kind of wraps around of it, if you guys can see. So I know it's a medical thing, but those that are suffering, you want to make sure you avoid it, or you're traveling, make sure you take a couple of these to prevent any kind of nail fungus.